Ever walked down a busy street and caught a whiff of something irresistible? That's grilled corn calling your name. From Mexico's markets to Thailand's beaches, street-style corn is a global favorite. Flames lick the kernels, you hear the sizzle, and the vendor expertly turns the cob until it's charred just right. Then comes the butter, slathered on while the corn's piping hot, melting into every crevice. It's messy, it's fun, and it's a taste of summer in every bite. We're bringing street-style magic to your kitchen or garden. Ready for a cracking good cob? Let's dive in. What makes street-style corn so special? It's not just boiled corn with butter. The secret is fire. Grilled over open flames, the kernels turn sweet, smoky, and a little chewy. Those char marks? That's flavor you can't get from boiling. Add butter, spice, maybe a squeeze of lime. Suddenly it's a party in your mouth. The first bite? Pure joy. Simple ingredients, big flavors, and a moment of pure pleasure. Get ready for a flavor explosion. You'll never look at corn the same way again. Let's get started. Want to know the street vendor's secret? It starts with the freshest corn. Bright green husks, plump kernels. Old corn just won't do. Freshness is everything. Next, the grill vendors use blazing hot charcoal for that unbeatable smoky flavor. The corn goes straight on the grate, turned often for even charring. It's a dance with fire, and the result is those perfect blackened marks. As soon as it's off the grill, the magic happens. A generous rub of butter, melting instantly into every kernel. Sometimes the butter is mixed with garlic or herbs for extra flavor. Then come the seasonings. Salt, chili powder, maybe smoky paprika. In Mexico, it's chili, salt, lime, sometimes cheese and mayo, elote style. The vendor customizes it for you, plain or loaded, mild or spicy. Every cob is an adventure. The real secret, simplicity and care. Fresh corn, hot fire, plenty of butter and bold seasonings. That's what makes street corn unforgettable. You can do this at home, no special equipment needed. Just follow the vendor's lead. Start with great corn, grill it hot, and don't skimp on the butter. Add your favorite spices and enjoy. Your kitchen is now a street market. Let's make your own masterpiece. Ready to make your own street-style corn? Here's what you need. Fresh corn cobs, butter, salt, chili powder, and a lime. Husk the corn, remove the silk, and rinse. Pat dry. Now your corn's ready for action. Fire up your grill or use a grill pan or broiler. Just get it hot. Place the corn directly on the heat. Listen for that sizzle. Turn the cobs every few minutes for even charring. Watch as the kernels turn golden and pick up those beautiful black marks. Don't walk away. This is hands-on cooking. In about 10-15 minutes, your kitchen will smell amazing. The corn should be cooked all over, with a mix of yellow and charred spots. Now comes the best part. Get your butter ready. The transformation is about to begin. This is where street food magic happens. Keep your tongs handy and your eyes on the prize. Perfectly grilled corn is just minutes away. You're almost there. Get ready for the final flourish. Let's finish strong. The corn's hot off the grill. Time for some kitchen wizardry. While it's still steaming, slather on the butter. Use a knife, a pastry brush, or go street vendor style and rub the butter block right on the cob. Watch it melt and soak into every kernel. Now, sprinkle on salt to bring out the sweetness. Add a dash of chili powder for a gentle kick. Want the ultimate street-style finish? Squeeze fresh lime juice over the top. The tangy lime cuts through the rich butter and smoky corn. Every bite is sweet, smoky, salty, buttery, spicy, and tangy. Your corn now looks and tastes like it came straight from a street vendor. It's a masterpiece you made yourself. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try garlic butter, smoked paprika, or even a sprinkle of cheese. The important thing is to make it your own. This is your street food moment. Serve it hot and enjoy the magic. You've just turned simple corn into something spectacular. Take a bite and savor your creation. Well done, chef. Well, even simple recipes can go sideways. Here's how to avoid common corn pitfalls. First, make sure your grill is hot enough. A cold grill means dry, flavorless corn. Listen for the sizzle. That's the sound of success. Don't burn the corn. Keep turning it to avoid bitter, blackened spots. A little char is good. Too much is a disaster. Be generous with the butter. This isn't the time to hold back. Butter helps the salt and spices stick and keeps the corn juicy. Always butter the corn while it's hot so it soaks in. Don't use old corn. Fresh is best for sweetness and texture. Remember, hot grill, keep turning, lots of butter, and fresh corn. Follow these rules and you'll have perfect grilled corn every time. It's foolproof if you pay attention. Don't let a simple mistake ruin your feast. Stay vigilant and enjoy the process. Great corn is worth the effort. Your taste buds will thank you. Now you're ready for corn success. Let's keep grilling. You've mastered street-style grilled corn. Now it's time to share the joy. This simple snack becomes a star when you serve it hot and fresh. Grab a cob, take a big bite, and let the butter drip. No need to be neat. Savor the sweet, smoky, buttery, zesty flavors. It's a party in your mouth, and you made it. Grilled corn is perfect for gatherings. Make a big batch for friends and family. Fire up the barbecue, show off your skills, and watch everyone smile. It's a food that brings people together and disappears fast. Experiment with spices. Try garlic, smoked paprika, or cheese. Make it your signature recipe. The real magic is sharing good food with good company. So go on, buy some fresh corn and get grilling. Create your own street-style magic at home. Share it, enjoy it, and make memories. Because the best food is the food you share. Cracking good corn every time. Thanks for joining this tasty adventure. Until next time, happy grilling, cheers to good food and great company, and